What'd you say?
Flapped out custom.
Wait, hold on, I gotta adjust. Say again, Evan?
Flapped out custom.
Flapped out custom. What do you think, Colin? Hell yeah. So, we got the distributor in. Got to, had to pull the valve cover off. Get it to top dead center. Colin's holding the coil wire because that's the only way we're running the car because the wiring's shot. So what you do, go over to the battery.
Wing nut?
You use your wing nut. Put the cable on. Here, I'm gonna go inside the car real quick. Here, you want video real quick?
What, the car starting?
Yeah.
Maybe. Wait, I don't know how to do. Hey, Ryan.
Joystick.
Where?
Joystick.
Oh, too far. Go back. Oh, too.
Well, they gotta be timed. But besides that, the car runs. And no more worrying about any of the BS. It's not brick outside, so we're able to work on it.
It's 28 degrees fucking.
I'm wearing this. It's brick out.
Yeah, it's
28.
It's 28. Yeah,
Cold
so
as hell.
it's a little bit brick.
It was 56 yesterday. Now it's 28.
But Cuda's running. I say that's good in my book. MSD ProBillet distributor.
The new pickup.
Got a new light.
Wait for it.
New Milwaukee light.
The headlight at Milwaukee. Hit us up. Let me know.
Yeah, if we can get a sponsor.
If we get a sponsor, we might have an actual Cuda.
Yeah, we might have a real Cuda.
Not Jank Box 360.
I'm trying to use a gimbal. We'll see how the video comes out. But what do we actually have to do?
The water pump seized because of the belt fan thing.
Yeah, the fan belt was touching the bolts were touching the water pump, but it's fine now. Had to pull the valve cover off, make sure the engine was at top dead center. Put the coil, put the wires on the distributor, and fucking rewire the coil and everything to make it HEI for the ProBillet. Yeah, vacuum line plug right there. And car runs. Now we gotta figure out a way to wire it to the ignition
And time it.
and time it. Well, timing won't be too hard as long as we can figure out how to shut it off when it needs to be shut off. You know.
Pull the cord.
You happy, Zach? Come on, you're happy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, big bang, some cheese.
Oh yeah, with the cheese.
Yo, show them the Milwaukee setup. Milwaukee sponsorship inbound.
What me?
Go on. Yo,
Show all the walk me.
What? You gotta walk me. You gotta walk
Oh.
me. You gotta walk me.
You can't go fast with the gimbal, dude. Gimbal slow.
Yo, walk me.
Trying to get that.
Walk me.
Whoa. Is he adjusting?
Look at that whole
Walk
cord.
me. Hold on. And we want the real sponsorship right there.
Snap on!
What you mean?
Yeah,
Oh, you
everything.
wanna see Snap on here?
No. I can't show that. Don't show that. Don't show that.
Milwaukee everything.
Oh, that thing's fucking big money.
But I think that's a win in my book. What do you guys think? He needs valve cover gaskets though before we actually can do it, and that's maybe a switch for the coil for now. But I don't know, I'm happy with it. So
She was.
next time you see the Cuda, it'll be doing like
Is it gonna be carburetor swapped?
You said carburetor swap?
I'll put a boy right there.
No, what are those? You gotta put what are those there?
But next time you see Zach, he'll be ripping a burnout in the Cuda. Fat one. Nah, he won't. He'll be babying the fuck out of it.
Yo, you're funny. When's the last time I babied it?
Right now it's not running.
Well, it's in a garage with a heater in, so.
She's fucking garage cat.
I say
It
it's
almost
good.
wasn't me and who was it? Me and Ryan or me and Tyler? We cleaned out the garage for Zach because he.
Nah, I would have made a
a
space for it, but I would have like taken time and not just.
It took us 15. It took us under 15 seconds, and there was something. It was like.
That was like late 6 months ago. That was like
June. It was like late June.
Wait, what?
It was July.
When we started this?
Yeah.
No, it was like late June. Yeah, it was late June. Like late June. Because I went to.
This just went to fucking. No, it was before that. So I got my license while we were working on it. I got my license in May. Yeah. It was in May, Zach.
Really?
Yeah, because I got my license in May. Remember, you guys were working.
Honestly, if you look at my phone, it'll probably say like right away. When did I get the van registration? It was like a week after I got the van registered.
Was it?
Yeah.
No. Really? Yeah.
It was.
We went for a lot of rides in May. I started driving GMC here like right when. As soon as I
I don't know.
started working on it.
All I know is we were
Then
hauling
again, I did
shit.
drive the GMC the day I got my license. It's Zach's home.
That's true.
I drove Zach in the GMC the day I got my license. it down so you break the sugar. You gotta find it.
Sure.
You'll kind of get on Snapchat. Look, we're doing like real production shit.
Behind the scenes, add this Snapchat.
Yo, Zach, Zach, that fucking metal can behind you, the camping fuel bullshit, is there stuff in there?
What?
On the shelf up there.